Can you see yourself in the 2023 Genesis G70? Aspire to be your very best. Make your entrance in this sleek and powerful Genesis G70. Its wide, low stance, exquisite driver-centered cockpit, and high-end design and materials speak of its desire to meet any challenge in premium style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, power passenger seat, remote engine start. Performance, luxury, and efficiency blend in thrilling harmony in the Genesis G70. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.